Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on Clickbank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you.
I'm about to tell you guys the hardest part about affiliate marketing. Most of you probably think that starting your business, getting sales, that type of stuff is probably going to be the hardest part. You couldn't be more wrong. I've been affiliate marketing for 2 months and I've already made thousands of dollars from my affiliate marketing business. So take this from somebody who's actually making money online. The hardest part is getting started. Most people will wait months, even years to start their affiliate marketing business. And for that simple reason, they never give themselves the chance to make sales, to make that money online. If you learn the right way and set your business up to work for you, the sales will come. I think I made 25 sales or more in my first 2 weeks of affiliate marketing. But if I could go back and change one thing, I would have started way sooner than I did, because now I realize the possibilities are endless. I'll show you guys exactly how I got started affiliate marketing, so click.
Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yes, I train people on how to make money online, and I'm still training people on how to make money on Clickbank affiliate marketing. When you hear affiliate marketing, it involves selling a particular product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. And there are two types of traffic system which are used in affiliate marketing. There are two sources by which you can get traffic to affiliate marketing. You have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. The paid traffic system involves the Facebook ads, solo ads, YouTube ads, and paying freelancers to direct traffic to your link or platform for you to get sales. And there's also free traffic system, which is where I'm coming, because I have developed a affiliate marketing traffic generating software which gathers leads online from search engines and promotes your link or your platform to these leads for you to get sales and commission on any of your affiliate marketing platform. So my software is available for sale now. This is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing fine, as you can see on the screen. This is a good result. Yes, because my software is very efficient and is very effective. All my students know that, and my video course will guide you step by step on how to use my software to get sales like this on any of your affiliate marketing platform. My software is not only applicable to Clickbank alone, but you can use it on other affiliate marketing platforms. And to get my software and video course today, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course today. Enjoy the click of the smart ones that are making edge and making big money on affiliate marketing. Yes, the game has just passed the level of just sharing links online and following the normal traffic method data online, but getting the right tool and the right information on how to go about getting big sales on any of your affiliate marketing platform. And that is where my software comes in, because it's very efficient, like the result you can see on the screen. And if you've checked my previous video, you will see excellent results like this also. So get my software today and start earning really big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. And I'm going to guide you step by step to start earning big on your affiliate marketing platform. Yes. So once again, I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.